After coaching hundreds of Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Power Platform professionals to build applications with the Scrum framework, the number one question I get asked is, how do we win more Agile business apps projects? The delivery teams who've taken my Scrum course know how to build complex business applications using Scrum. Now the sales, pre-sales, and discovery teams at Microsoft partners want to win more Agile projects with Microsoft customers, so that they can shrink the project timelines, deliver more features within their customers' budgets, reduce the technical risks, and ultimately deliver better outcomes for happier stakeholders and win more testimonials and awards. That's what it's all about, right? Winning Agile Projects is a masterclass for Microsoft partners designed to do one thing: help you win more Agile projects. The masterclass is run over 5 weeks. Each week, there are some pre-recorded video lessons, coursework to complete, and then a live workshop to discuss the topic in depth and solidify your team's learning. In the first week, you'll learn how to qualify opportunities to determine when an Agile approach like Scrum is appropriate and when it's not. In week 2, you'll learn how to pitch the benefits of an Agile approach to your customers to differentiate your practice and get your customers excited about the benefits of working with you. In week 3, we'll examine 2 Microsoft partners' proposals and tear them down to learn what makes a compelling proposal for an Agile project. In week 4, you'll learn my approach for estimating Agile projects quickly so that your teams can slash discovery phases from months to days and produce more compelling discovery deliverables. In week 5, we'll wrap with learning how to write an Agile statement of work so that you and your customers have a mutual understanding of how your Agile approach is going to work in practice. Winning Agile Projects masterclasses run as often as we can get cohorts of 10 students together in the same time zone. You can apply for a private masterclass for just your team if you have 10 people, or if you have 3 or 4 people, you can join a mixed cohort along with 1 or 2 other Microsoft Business Apps partners, which is a great way to learn and share ideas and find out how others are winning Agile projects. To apply, just click on the button or link down below and we'll schedule a discovery call to see if your practice is a good fit for an upcoming class. I can't wait to work with you and your team. Until then, keep sprinting.